Well, I bought a $5 lawnmower at an auction. Cooper. Not familiar with that name, but I did look up online. And the best I can tell, probably made in the 1970s. So it could be around 50 years old. It'd be interesting to see whether I can get it started and how many pulls it takes. I did sniff the gas that doesn't feel or smell stale. The spark plug looks like it could have been replaced at some point not too long ago. Overall, pretty clean, little dust on top. Came from a nice home. Everything they had was kept inside. And I'm just wondering whether it'll run, how many pulls it take to start it. So I'll get it off here. Yeah, I've got the gas tank filled. The oil looks to be up at full. Cooper, aluminum deck. It's a Briggs Stratton engine. Don't know for sure, but some of them on the internet says 3.5 horse. Cyclo-Vac, 21-inch rotary mower, made in Marshalltown, Iowa. So, see if I can find a tripod to document how many pulls I have to make or whether I even start. Well, the choke seems to work fine, so we'll set it on full choke. And this will be the first pull since I bought it. Well, I guess that didn't work too well. 3. Back to choke off, see. 4. 5. 6. 7. Idle, right? Well, there, I think that's about 8 pulls and it started.